The chime of 9 rings loud on the clock. There is the guard, checking his watch. He waves his flag with vigour and grace. The engine responds with all due haste. The driver, prepared for the long trip ahead, tugs at the regulator. Now they have left. Away from the city and onto the countryside, the passengers all lavish the wonderful ride. Through trees, tunnels, fields and valleys, dozens of sights that cannot be tallied. And now the long drag rears its ugly head. The driver anticipates what to do next. With skill and control perfectly timed, there is no more of the dreaded climb. Entering the platform with glamour in her stride, she's brought home her passengers right on time. Standing in the station with her apple green attire, this train is the Branchline Flyer.